We're in a nature emergency. Since 1970, there's been a 69% decline in biodiversity globally, with 1 in 6 species in Wales now facing extinction. That's shocking. I grew up in the countryside in the rural borders of Scotland. Little did I know at the time that 40 years down the line, many of the birds I'd hear or see as a child, like the cuckoo or the curlew, would be a rare experience today. Little did I know that most children may never see in their lives more than a couple of species of butterfly, or know what hair looked like, other than in storybooks or on their mobile phones. That wildflower meadows would be scarce, and that many people may never set foot in or appreciate nature for all the benefits it provides. This is an all too familiar story for people in communities across Cardiff and the Vale of Glamorgan. Without action to reverse and restore our biodiversity loss, there's a real danger that future generations will not experience and enjoy much of the nature that we have left. This significant decline in biodiversity isn't just bad for the species and habitats affected, it also has clear detrimental impacts on our physical and mental health. There's strong evidence that nature offers multiple health benefits, from improving our mental well-being to promoting physical activity, to mitigating climate change and providing sources of medicine for disease treatment. That's why, in my latest annual Director of Public Health report, I've chosen to focus on this urgent nature crisis and outline how we, as active participants in society, as organisations, as senior leaders, can make a positive contribution to support nature to recover and indeed thrive for the benefit of future generations and their well-being. We're losing both the abundance of nature and our connection with nature, which throughout our history on this planet have been key to our development and survival. The very thing that has supported our growth and evolution is being extinguished by our actions, with climate change, land use changes, and overexploitation amongst the causes of biodiversity loss. There's an urgent need for us to reconnect with and restore nature for increased biodiversity and the many associated health benefits this brings. There's work going on in Cardiff and the Vale of Glamorgan and across Wales to try and reverse this biodiversity loss. But is it enough? We can reconnect with nature by aiming to have it nearby during our daily activities, regularly spending time in natural green spaces and taking the time to really notice nature. We can restore nature by gaining an understanding of the health benefits, by protecting the natural areas we still have, and creating improved natural spaces in which species can thrive. None of us can do this alone. It's the responsibility of government, organisations, and all of us to take action and return our greying world to a green world. The nature emergency is not a future problem, it's happening right now, and has been for many decades. Nature needs us, but for our very health and our very survival, we need nature.